अच्छा, ये वीडियो के लिए प्रोडक्ट्स की लिस्ट रेडी है, देख कैसी लग रही है। ओ भाई, इतना महंगा, इतना फालतू पैसा किसके पास है? क्या तू भी यार। एक सेकंड ना। सर, ये आपका पिकाचो पिल्लो आ गया है, यहाँ साइन कर दीजिए। ये तेरा पिकाचू कितने का है? डिस्काउंट पे था, 900 रुपये का मिल गया। तो बेसिकली ये कह रहा है कि 900 रुपये का टॉय ले सकता है, लेकिन अपनी हेल्थ पे 500 रुपये भी खर्च नहीं कर सकता। हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स।
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 products priced under rupees 499 that are super practical to use and will add a lot of value to your healthy lifestyle. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 6 on the list is copper bottle. Used in India and other South Asian countries for thousands of years, the practice of drinking water from copper vessels called Tamra Jal or therapeutic water have been long recognized for its health benefits. Today, modern research has shown that when water is stored overnight in copper, a small number of ions dissolve into the water and destroy bacteria in a process called the oligodynamic effect. In fact, copper is the only class of metal registered by the United States Environmental Protection Agency that kills bacteria, yeasts, and viruses on contact. Basically, copper naturally purifies the water. Not only this, Ayurvedic scriptures state many benefits of drinking copper charged water, like it improves gut health, improves skin, prevents anemia, regulates thyroid functioning, cures inflamed joints, promotes fat loss and brain function. It's not heavy as generally thought, but sturdy. Once bought, it will serve you for years. The claims of copper toxicity are only possible with a high intake of copper. This won't happen when using it for drinking water. Priced under rupees 499, I highly recommend investing in a copper bottle. Number 5 on the list is an oil diffuser. After a tiring day at work, how about a fragrance spa-like ambience in your room at just a press of a switch? Yes, that's exactly what an oil diffuser is made for. Fill it with almost 90% water and then add 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil. Turn it on and within 10 minutes your room will fill with a soothing, calming fragrance. Since it is an essential oil based fragrance, that is a fragrance extracted from flowers, herbs and other tree parts, it is not only natural but also has a great therapeutic value. Aromatherapy through the smell receptors in your nose activates certain areas of your brain like the limbic system, hypothalamus that governs your emotions. So if you often toss and turn in bed, or you suffer from anxiety, or you just want to calm your nerves a bit, an oil diffuser is something you must try. Lavender, sandalwood, chamomile and jasmine are some essential oils that promote better sleep. Essential oils like rose, lemongrass and vetiver even help heal acne and other skin issues. The experience of reading a book, writing a diary in an aromatic room is sublime. It can even be used for heating up oil for body and head massage. Hardly takes a minute. It's easy to clean, just wipe it with a wet cloth. A natural night lamp with aesthetic and medicinal uses, this 389 bucks oil diffuser is worth investing in. Number 4 on the list is an eye protection guard. Smartphones have become such an integral part of our life that we are almost addicted to them. Gaming, night browsing, watching videos and work related stuff. Surveys suggest that on average a person picks his or her phone 58 times a day, spending over 3 hours on it. That's a lot. Imagine the strain our eyes have to go through. No wonder problems like dry eyes, bloodshot eyes, itching and decreased vision are on the rise. That's where installing an eye protection guard becomes such a valuable product. Simply install it as you would install any other screen guard and it will reduce the damage to your eyes significantly. Of course, this product now should not become an excuse to stay glued to the smartphone always. This utility product will cost you just rupees 399. truly worth your priceless eyes. Number 3 on the list is Mitti Handi. If there is one cooking utensil that can give a run for their money to others, it is this traditional Mitti ki Handi. The uniqueness of Mitti Handi is that one single vessel can be used to make rice, dal, sabzi or kheer. Clay pot has small pores all over the surface which allows the moisture and heat to circulate through the food, cook slowly, thus retaining more nutritional value and flavors than any other cookware. Even the oil consumption is less. Compare the taste of a dal cooked in Mitti Handi to that prepared in another utensil, you can instantly make out the difference. While aluminium and non-stick utensils leach out toxic substances into your food, the humble clay pot adds 18 essential vitamins and minerals, making your body less dependent on pills. Alkaline food is trending. Well, clay is naturally alkaline. When it comes in contact with acidic food, it neutralizes its pH, making it healthier. To make it crack resistant, buy an unglazed clay pot, immerse it completely in water for a day, coat it with oil and then sun dry it. Also, do not wash a clay pot with dishwash soap as it will absorb the soap. Hot water and scrubber are good enough. Most economical Mitti Handi can easily be bought offline for 200 rupees. Online it is a bit costly, still it's worth every penny spent. Number 2 on the list is a traditional rug. Traditional rug, or as we colloquially call it, dari, is in my opinion a must-have product if you are a health enthusiast. Having used it myself for the past few years, it is probably the most comfortable yoga mat you can sit on. But why a traditional rug? Why not the most popular and easily available PVC based yoga mats? Well, it's something you can find out only after using a dari. Made from 100% cotton, its surface feels at home. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, washable, much more durable, it sets the mood right for a good yoga session. Another big positive is its size. Most commercial yoga and workout mats have less width, which gets uncomfortable while doing certain yoga asanas and push-ups. Since dari is proportionately sized, it serves the purpose really well. The after feeling of taking a short nap on one of these warm, cozy and cushiony rugs is indescribable. You can even use it more casually to do some work, read a book or just pass time. Actually keeps you grounded. Priced under Rs 499, these long-lasting traditional rugs are worth a buy. Finally, number 1 on the list is an insulated jug. The benefits of drinking warm water are numerous. It aids in digestion, relieves congestion, increases blood circulation, reduces body pain, acts as a detoxifier and even helps reduce stress level. But let's face it, heating the water every time is a hassle nobody wants to get into. That's where an insulated jug makes life so easy. With a stainless steel inner wall tightly sealed from top and bottom, once you fill it with warm water, it stays so for hours. Anytime you want to drink warm water, simply pour it into a glass and enjoy it at your convenience. Especially in the early morning of winter, when you feel like drinking warm water in bed, this jug is a savior. Because it is insulated, it keeps hot beverages hot and cold beverages cold. So not just for water, it can be used to store herbal teas, milk, soups, juices, etc. The trick is to fill the jug up to the brim. This ensures maximum heat retention. Since it has a wide mouth, not only it makes its handling easier but also cleaning it is effortless. This 1 liter insulated jug will cost you Rs 399. Offline you can get it even cheaper. Such a utility product, I think it must find a place in your home. So these were those 6 products which I think are practical and will add value to your healthy lifestyle. Which one of these products impressed you the most? Let me know in the comment section. Although all these products can easily be bought online, still for your convenience I have linked them in the description box. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then you would also like watching its part 1. Link to it is in the description box. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Looking for a toxin-free hair mask? Suffering from dandruff and itchy scalp? Get your hands on Mamaearth's Tea Tree Hair Mask. With the goodness of tea tree, argan and lemon oil, this hair mask is free from all harsh chemicals. No sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, EDTAs, artificial fragrances or cosmetic colors. To use it, simply part your hair in 2 halves. Take a generous amount of this hair mask and apply an adequate quantity to wet hair and scalp. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off with a toxin-free shampoo. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. Mamaearth's Tea Tree Hair Mask is suitable for men and women of all hair types. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 21% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.